What you need to story's beginning is the foundation. The middle section, the complication, is the architecture itself. In a weak story, it's just a series of random events. In a masterful one, it's a carefully constructed sequence of conflicts designed to test a character. It starts by layering conflict. Think beyond a simple hero versus monster fight. We have external conflict, the visible obstacles like a storm brewing or a villain in pursuit. But the real drama comes from internal conflict, the invisible struggles inside a character's mind, like guilt or a deep-seated fear of failure. Great stories use the external to trigger the internal. A character lost in a city isn't just facing a physical problem. Their external crisis might trigger a crippling fear of abandonment. Suddenly, the story isn't about finding a map, it's about finding courage. But you can't maintain maximum tension constantly. That's exhausting. Instead, picture a campfire. You don't throw all the wood on at once. You let the flames peak, then settle into a valley. These quiet moments are crucial. They're where characters reflect and process what's happened, and where the reader catches their breath before the next crisis. And that next crisis must be worse. The conflict has to escalate. First, your character loses their keys. Frustrating, but not life-threatening. Next, they miss the last train home and are stranded. Now there's real danger. Finally, they're cornered and must make a choice that violates their moral code. That is transformation. As the writer, you are the architect of trouble. Your job isn't to be kind to your protagonist. Your job is to be their greatest obstacle, because only then can they become their greatest self.